And welcome back to the channel. I'm Erica and I'm going to be reviewing this Glitter Girls. I got this for Christmas for myself and it was like under $6. I think it was like $5.99 or $4.99. It's on Amazon. I don't know if it's still on sale, but I've already opened it and I love everything that's inside. So let me just go ahead and show you everything that's inside. You can see on the package, but it's even cuter in person. And the whole purpose of why I got this was for the kettle, but then I ended up falling in love with the milk container and these other two jars, which is the cereal and the jam. Like, those three are my top favorites, and then this one would be my, my other favorite. So this is the set. I think it's really cute. So everything is not on the plates and stuff. I just put them there just, for the look and stuff. So we got the slice of bread, and the bread, it's like a little loaf. It's actually really cute. It's actually really heavy, and you probably could, like, knock someone out with it, maybe. I know you could with the cereal. The cereal does open, and the jar itself is glittery because this is a Glitter Girls accessory. So you unfortunately have to deal with the glitter, but there's no fallout that I've noticed. Anyways, it looks like honeycomb cereal almost. It's actually really cute. I don't think you can take it out. I mean, you probably could try, but honestly, I'm just going to leave it in there because I like it as is. And this is the jar of jam or jelly, whatever you would like it to be. It's actually kind of like a resin kind of material in there, and it's actually really cute. I love the jar and I love that they match, and there is glitter just like the other one, except for in the jam it's actually like translucent, like a red translucent. So it's probably like, I don't know, cherry jam, if there is cherry jam, or strawberry jam or something like that, or jelly, for like the toast and stuff. So that would be like really cute if they had like little sides where you could, like, pretend to put it on there or something, but there isn't anything like that. Then we have the milk jug, which is one of my favorites, and there is no glitter on it. I really like it, but the lid does not open to that. And then we have this napkin ring. It is really cute. It kind of looks like a rainbow. And we also have the napkins, which they're fabric, and I love that. And you get two. And like I said, you get the slice of bread. You get 2 slices and 2 knives and 2 spoons and 2 teacups. I like the plates as well. The bowls are really, really cool. You get 2 of those. And then we also get 2 cups, which is like for orange juice or something. They are really, really cute and detailed as well. And then we got that fun gigantic loaf of bread that kind of looks like monkey bread a little bit. I really like the teacups and stuff. They are really, really cute. And I like the fact that the gold doesn't look like cheap or anything. It actually looks really good, and I'm not a gold fan. I would prefer if it was silver, but the gold with these coloring of the plates and stuff is actually really good and cute. So here is that tea kettle. This is what I wanted, and it's not the best quality because you can tell that it's like really plasticky. It would have been nice if they would have done like a better job of hiding the seams and stuff, but I do like it and I think it's really cute. I wasn't sure if this would be like compatible with AG, or like, I do have 2 Glitter Girl dolls, and I will insert pictures of them with this set, of course, but I will also insert pictures of the AGs and my Life doll with it as well. So I don't know, I really liked it, and like I said, I wasn't sure if it was compatible or not, or if Barbie could go with it, but it's a little too big for Barbie. But however, I do think you probably could get away with using the bowls, maybe for like bigger bowls or something. I love the milk jug. It's like my top favorite. The cereal is my next top favorite, and I love the jam. And then the tea kettle, like, it's really cute. I like the pink. It's kind of like a salmon-y color, and it's really pretty. And I like the fact that the napkins are fabric, and you could totally make more, which is like awesome. And the plates are really cool too, along with those cups and these teacups. So let me know in the comments down below which item you like the most, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye!